The MUR60N by TurboAir provides reliable undercounter fresh storage for your operation. The two-section interior is constructed of aluminum with a stainless steel floor for strength and easy cleanup. This unit comes equipped with two adjustable wire shelves, and the LED interior lights enhance cabinet visibility so your staff can quickly find what they need. Made with commercial use in mind, this unit's stainless and galvanized steel exterior is built to last. The self-cleaning condenser removes harmful dust each day, and the centralized refrigeration system allows for simplified maintenance. The self-closing swing doors have easy grip ergonomic handles to reduce user fatigue. The ABS door liners help minimize condensation, and the one-piece magnetic gaskets are easily removable for cleaning and maintenance. To order yours today or to find out more, call our customer support team at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at KaTom.com.